It's 4:50 a.m. There's so many exciting things that are happening. 47. We're trying the mint chocolate cookie. I was trying to eat my feelings. I'm spiraling a little bit, and this is what we've got overhead. And the power went out at my gym, and now I can't leave because there's a tornado. I feel like I'm battling demons today. Walk for 45 minutes in the dark. Good morning. It is Monday, June 8th, and it's about 7:30. I got up at 5 and I've been having a very productive morning. Done some stuff I've been meaning to do. I got concert tickets for 2 weekends from now. I listed my old phone for sale on Facebook. I've opened a new bank account that gets a higher interest rate. I'm gonna try to keep this momentum up today. I'm very excited because this is a short week for me. I'm working Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then Friday, we have travel plans to go to see my parents, and we'll be there for the weekend. We're trying the mint chocolate cookie, Clean Simple Eats protein powder. It's good. I just put it in the black coffee after it cooled. It reminds me of mint hot cocoa. So I like this one better than the other one. I only used about half the packet or maybe less, so I can have it in another cup. Water number 1 done. Water number 2. Peeling butternut squash is the bane of my existence. Done. Don't knock it till you try it. This is my lunch. It's my first meal of the day. I have half a can of chickpeas. I have 100 grams of cooked salmon, and then like 280 grams of mixed veggies. It's 1 o'clock. I've had a really productive start to my day, and I just finished meal prepping and I ate my lunch, and it is time to get these dogs outside and moving. So we're going on an outdoor walk now. And I have just been feeling so good this weekend. I am so excited about the 75 hard project that I'm starting, and I'm so excited to be learning new editing skills and working on thumbnails and Canva. And I'm getting a new laptop soon so that I can work on editing on that rather than my phone. And I feel so motivated and I'm so excited to be finally starting YouTube. I have been wanting to make some videos for years. I've watched it like all my life, and here I am finally just doing it, and I don't care what people think, and I'm making the content that I would watch. So I've just been feeling so grateful lately. There's so many exciting things that are happening in my life. Like we're working on customizing an engagement ring, and we're also planning a big camping trip. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm just feeling really grateful, really excited. Flowers are so interesting. They look like they're almost wooden to me. I need to figure out what they are. They're pretty. I made some curry chicken. I have butternut squash and sweet potato with some basmati rice for dinner. I'm eating this and then going to the gym.
Cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a mobile. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is.
Gallon of water is done. 47-minute workout complete. Done for the day today. So I PR'd my deadlifts at the gym, and I'm so happy because I was like, oh, am I getting weaker? I'm not eating as much, but I was able to do 6 reps, then 7, then 8 reps. Yay! It is Tuesday, June 9th. I think it's gonna be a good day. Today my plan is to do maybe an indoor walk at work on the treadmill. And then I'm gonna do an outdoor walk with my dogs later in the evening. So I'm taking off from the gym. Dropping Poppy off at school. Ready? Okay, come on. Time to go to work now. Here is my lunch. I made some chicken curry, and I've got squash, sweet potato, rice under there, and some veggies. Hello, it's 6 o'clock. I just got back from work and I fed the dogs. Now I am eating some of my meal prep. This is vegetables and salmon with chickpeas. Put hot sauce on it. Today was just such a day. It was very much like a Monday for me. It felt like it was nonstop the whole time, and I do not love that. I like a little bit of like mental downtime sometimes, like anybody else does, and I had not a second. I'm trying to recollect myself and be in a more positive mood. I still need to do my outdoor walk, so I'll take the dogs when I'm done eating dinner. And I did really good on water today. Already read. I'll eat my yogurt after this, and I will be set for the day. I can't wait for it to end. I am feeling so hungry, so I'm having some cottage cheese. I think I am definitely an emotional eater. Today is the first day where I've really felt like I'm hungry and I need to keep eating. I was like eating some pork rinds as I was waiting for my dinner to heat up, and I'm like, I'm just gonna have one. It won't count. And then like it's a whole serving. So I had to like play Tetris in my fitness pal to like make it fit in, and I just will have like less of something in my yogurt bowl. But geez, this is like the first day that I've really felt need for some sort of comfort, which is food. So, but that cottage cheese hit. That was really good. Doing my last outdoor workout. At least it is not as humid anymore right now. I don't want to do this. I don't want to be here. But here I am doing this challenge. Okay. Last workout of the day is done. Water complete. I'm so tired. I'm going to bed. It's really foggy. Good morning. I'm driving to work. It's 6:40 and I'm going to have a better day than yesterday. Mark my words. Yesterday mentally drained me. I was so tired. I was so hungry and I was trying to eat my feelings, and I'm not allowed to do that on this challenge. Today is a new day. It's a reset, and we're gonna get this all done today. So I'll see you at work. Hello, I am on my outdoor walk. I got out early for a lunch, so it's like 11:15 and we're out here walking. So first outdoor 45-minute workout will be complete, and it is just feeling so good outside. It is so nice to get out for my lunch break today, and the sun is hot. It's a little bit humid, but it's just feeling good to be out here. So I am feeling grateful. I've had a very easy morning today. I'm taking that as good karma because yesterday was nonstop. So I am enjoying my day. It'll be a little busier in the afternoon, but that's okay. Outdoor workout complete. It's so hot outside. I'm so sweaty from that walk. It's 1 o'clock. Water number 2 is complete, and there was pizza in the lunchroom, and I wanted that so bad. But I didn't have any. Okay, so I'm at the gym, and I just wanted to say that it has been significantly easier drinking my gallon of water the past 2 days, and I don't know what's different, but I'm like not struggling so hard to get the water in. So that's a positive. Let's do this workout. Okay, I just killed that workout. That was so good. I was able to do 45 pounds overhead press, and I bested my barbell incline bench press. I was able to get 2 sets of 8 and then a set of 7. That was so good. There's no power at my house right now because there was a huge storm, so I'm going home to eat a cold dinner. Lucky me. All right, my power's off, but I have a gas stove and a lighter. So this is the vibe. It is about 643 calories and it's got 54 grams of protein. And I'm so hungry that as I stir, I'm just eating bites of it. I am going to eat this and enjoy my single candle in my dark house. Good morning. It is June 11th and it's day 16. I have tomorrow off and I'm traveling home. Let's get this day done and over with. I'm tired of working. I want to retire. I just rushed so hard to turn my computer on and they canceled. And I don't have anybody until 9. Not a bad start. Okay, it's 12. Things have changed. While my 7 a.m. canceled, I got thrown a progress note. That took up 2 hours, so no breaks there. And then my 1 o'clock canceled, but it got filled. It was an unexpected fill, and now I will have essentially no time to eat my lunch for an 11-hour work shift. It's also going to start pouring at any second. And if I don't do this 45-minute walk right now, I'll have to walk later in the rain. I'm spiraling a little bit. And this is self-inflicted, I suppose. So I'm lucky I have the opportunity to be able to do this challenge and everything. I'm just like over it. Yeah. This is not looking good. I'm at 27 minutes and this is what we've got overhead. What I would like to do is do my workouts back to back, like weight training and then a walk, because one's indoor, one's outdoor. But I can't do that because of the rule. I have to complete this workout and then wait 3 to 4 hours and complete the outdoor workout, unless it doesn't rain. I don't know. I feel like I'm battling demons today. I don't think that this 45-minute outdoor workout is getting done right now. It's about to start pouring heavy rain, and it's starting to rain with 11 minutes left. 7 minutes and 20 seconds to complete my 45-minute walk. So it's 5:30, and it's supposed to do this until 10 o'clock. So it looks like I'm going to be either walking in a thunderstorm or walking when I should be sleeping. And the power went out at my gym in the middle of my workout. Whoa. This is not ideal, but I completed my upper body workout and now I can't leave this gym because there's a tornado. I'm driving home from the gym that has no power and all the stoplights are out. It's in between torrential downpours. I don't have very far to go. Oh my God, there's someone riding an e-bike right now. That is actually insane. And I guess I'm gonna go out at 10 o'clock at night and walk for 45 minutes in the dark. Mental toughness, I guess. Oh, this light works, yay. All right, that's good. We started this walk 30 minutes ago. I'm working on my last bit of water and I'm so done with this day. I want it to be over. I need to pack for this road trip tomorrow and it's 8 o'clock. Well, everything about today was inconvenient, but everything's also done. Good morning. It's 4:50 a.m. and we're packing to leave for this trip back home. Drink's done. Making the dogs breakfast. This is a ground meat mixture that we made as our homemade wet food. And then they get pumpkin. There you go. Okay. Quick little 5 a.m. walk. 5:30 and we've hit the road. She's got trazodone in her. Hopefully that kicks in real soon. We're in great moods today. first rest stop is done. I think there's 4 hours left in this drive. We should get in at noon. Water bottle number 1 is complete. This is number 2 of 3. We're in Eastern time now, so it is 12:41. We're on the first outdoor walk. It's very nice outside and it's like 3 o'clock.
He tries to bite the waves.
That was a very long walk, and now we're back home. Hello. Did you enjoy the beach? That's the last water I need to drink of the day. My sister and I are doing the last 45-minute run together with Poppy. Here we go. Mile 1, 11:58. Mile 2, 12:55. That's so slow. Mile 3, 10:53. Much faster. We're feeling good, but we want to stop. Finished a 45-minute workout. Completed a 3.5-mile run. Now I gotta finish my water and I'm going to bed. Last 8 ounces of water, 300 grams of Greek yogurt with a peach and some pecans to end the night. Good night. Good morning. It's Saturday. It's 6:43 in the morning. And I'm at my parents' house, and it's feeling so nice outside right now. It's like 65 and just a tad breezy. It's like so perfect. If I could have this all day long with some sunshine, that would just be chef's kiss. I want my coffee. Here's my first meal of the day with some veggies, butternut squash, and some ground beef, and I'm working on water number 2. I have 100 grams of peach, some cottage cheese with tomato and pickles. We're gonna do a grocery haul. Sweet potato, yogurt, avocado. We're about to do a really janky strength training workout from my parents' basement. This is what we have to work with for our leg day. Let's get this 45 minutes started. Okay, 45 minutes are done. That actually wasn't a bad workout. Time to eat dinner. Bye. I'm tired, but I'm doing the last 45-minute workout and I'm being dragged by my dogs right now. This is gonna be a hike jog. "57 minutes. It was just a walk after all." Well, I finished my water, I finished my reading, I did my 2 workouts, and I stuck to my diet, and I didn't really do a good job showing it, but I had steak with a salad for dinner, and then I had a yogurt bowl, as usual, for like a snack. I did get some wine as a gift, and that's looking very tempting to me, but I will refrain for now, and I am so tired, so I'm going to bed. I'll see you tomorrow at weigh-in. Good night. 147.0. Good morning. It's Sunday. I am making my breakfast right now. I did my first weigh-in. I feel like it was my first true weigh-in after losing a lot of water weight. And I am going to read my 10 pages. I waited too long last night and I was like falling asleep reading it. That was a struggle. I have to take my progress picture soon. I'll do some of my Fitness Pal Tetris to fit this breakfast in. So. And 2 whole eggs. There, that looks nice. Everything but the bagel jalapeno. That's good. This is a piece of sourdough. I just dropped off the dogs and now I'm finishing up my outdoor walk by myself. So we'll get 45 minutes done. Then I am gonna move some donations of clothes I'm not wearing, take them to a donation center today. Outdoor workout complete, 48 minutes. These are all my donations from my bedroom, so I'm excited to give these a new home. Got some 93% ground turkey. All right, this is my little meal prep. For the next 2 days, I have 93% lean ground turkey with half an avocado, 100 grams of sweet potatoes, frozen veggies on the bottom, green beans, and like a medley. I added 70 grams of cottage cheese. This is actually really good for how basic it is. So this was 680 calories and 60 grams of protein and a lot of volume, so you don't feel so hungry. Okay, there we go, 160. Eating an apple and some peanut butter as a snack. Second workout is complete. It was just another outdoor walk. Today has been tough because I have basically a whole water bottle to drink and it's about 9 o'clock at night. Perfect. I'm gonna be waking up 800 times tonight. Gallon of water is done. Progress photo is done. Diet is done. 10 pages, done. Good night. All right, that's it for week 3 of 75 hard. I wanted to share the good and the bad. This week was like an inverse bell curve. Like we started okay, we tanked really hard, and then it got better at the end. Some of the good, I had some great workouts and I stayed consistent even when I traveled and visited my family. The bad this week, I struggled to get my outdoor workouts in, especially on that day when it rained at lunchtime. And then it tornadoed when I was at the gym. And then I had to walk outside, splashing around in the puddles. I need to plan for the weather, look ahead at the forecast, make sure I can get my outdoor walk in either in the morning, the afternoon, or the evening. Going forward, I'm going to be planning better. And that's it. Subscribe if you want to follow along for more of the journey. And I'll see you in the next video.